Hello and welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I've got 2 days here in Bergen and I'm staying at the Comfort Hotel in Bergen. I think that's the full name of the hotel. So I'm going to take you on a little look around the hotel in general, the gym, the room that I've got, the view from the room. I'll tell you at the end how much it all cost as well, and I'll take you around the reception area and the most important thing, breakfast. Yeah, we'll do that. Let's go. Well, there's quite a bit here actually. This is pretty cool. This is really nice. There's everything you need in here. So in here, which is part of the lounge, as you walk into the hotel, you've got table tennis, you've got a shelf over here, you've got some games, you've got plenty of leaflets to give you ideas what to do while you're here, which is fantastic. We've got toilets on the ground floor as well. Down here is a nice, comfy and cozy relaxation area. Not sure what the clothes are. Maybe if you want to get dressed up in fancy dress. I don't know. But they've got some nice booths. They've got TVs. They've got the plug sockets down here as well, if you wanted to use them with USB by the side of them. Lighting's quite cool. I do like this little lounge area, it's so cozy. Should be time for breakfast. 6:30 it opens on weekdays. The typical entrance as you walk in. Got two receptions. Well, we've got a reception desk and a bar. Another comfy seating. Now my camera should be good for the lighting. The lights come on when the breakfast service starts. Right, breakfast. This is what we all want to see. Got all your usual plates, bowls, cutlery. We've got oats, all the breakfast cereals that you'd normally have. These overnight oats was fantastic. Morning. Brown cheese, absolutely amazing. If you've not tried it before, try it. You've got your cups, your glasses, you've got your coffee, hot water, more coffee. Well, breakfast. It's a fairly nice breakfast, if I'm honest. The potatoes, they're kind of like curried potatoes. And I know that's unusual to have for breakfast, but it works. It really does work. Nice. You've got your typical European kind of sausages, these wieners. Still nice. I've got to say, everything is really, really nice. So I looked up some of the reviews before I got here, and it had some really bad reviews. So that kind of like raised some concerns for me. But checking in was easy, and food's been fantastic. I've slept like a log. The hotel's been quiet, which is, you couldn't ask for more. Overnight oats. First time I had them yesterday. Absolutely delicious. They're like, it's cold. It's not like a warm meal. It's cold oats. And you've got a taste of cinnamon in it. They're sweet, gooey. Anything that's sweet and gooey has got to be nice. But these are delicious. So here you've got your lifts that go up to the floors. But I generally just walk up the stairs. Room 327. So this is the room. We've got our double bed. It's very minimal. I've got to say, it's very minimal. I always find it strange how in some hotels, like, I think it's mainly sort of European, maybe it's a Scandinavian thing, but the way they put the duvets, because they're single duvets, they're not very wide. I mean, that is how wide that duvet is. So you would have one each. But obviously if you're here on your own, you can just have both of them together. But to be honest, you might not need it because it's warm enough, because you've got a heater over here, which lets out quite a good bit of heat. Window view. Curtains. You've got bed lights, you've got a plug socket, and you've got a switch that lights the top. There's no USBs this side, but there is on this side. So the USBs are a bit hit or miss. You can have issues where the charging goes on and off, so a bit of a fault with the USBs. I don't know if that's in every room or just mine. So the bed itself was like really comfortable. So they're two single duvets on a double bed. Well, it's not really a double bed, it's two singles pushed together. You've got a chair, you've got a waste bin, you've got a desk if you wanted to do some work, my tripod, you've got a desk lamp, you've got your TV, which hasn't got many channels on, and they're all in Norwegian. There are other plug sockets in here too. There's a plug socket here, and at the bottom of the TV, there's a plug socket down here. TV on the wall, very nice. Nice to see sustainability going. So if you've got anything left over and you want to donate, just stick it in the bag. Brilliant idea. You've got a wall mirror. You've got a nice light. For some reason, it's hanging from there and the cables go across to there. Not very well thought about when they did the building, I should imagine. Looks like it's an afterthought. Little table there. Put your shoes, your suitcase on. But you know what? This has been a really good room. The beds have been comfortable. It's been quiet. Bed itself, is a bit squeaky. In fact, it was very squeaky when you moved, got on and off it. But the bed was soft, it was comfortable. Pillows, very, very soft. In fact, too soft. Could do with maybe 2 pillows each. You can always ask. If you don't ask, you don't get. That's about this room done. Let's take a look in the bathroom. The bathroom. Okay, so this has got all your necessities. You've got a light switch on the wall. You've got 2 plug sockets up here. You've got your hand wash. You've got 2 glasses. And the water, oh, fresh drinkable tap water. Water pressure is fine. Hot water gets very hot. Nice big mirror. The lighting's not too bad as well. Well, it's very clean. It looks a very new toilet. Well, a very new bathroom. Most importantly in here though, a second toilet roll. Bonus. Hairdryer. Have I already said hairdryer? A toilet. And your shower. You've got hair and body wash, and that smelled really nice. Shower was fine. Let me close this one door, put the shower on. Shower is fine. Plenty enough pressure. You get 2 hand towels and 2 larger towels. Would say bath towels, but we haven't got a bath. We've got a shower. So we've got 2 larger towels and 2 hand towels. Easy on our planet, reuse your towel. Don't just use it once, throw it on the floor. Be nice to your environment, guys. We've only got one planet. Let's keep it safe, clean, tidy. So that's the bathroom. Very echoey. Let's go back in the other room. Right then, so what did you think of that? Let me know in the comments, guys. Come on, let's get some chat going in the comments. What did you think of this room? Price? What did I pay for this? As with everything, it depends what days you're going to book. So I booked the Saturday night and the Sunday night. I'm only here for 2 nights. 2 nights cost me £133. I'm in the middle of Bergen in Norway. I think that's a fantastic price. What do you think? Would you pay that for this room? Have I had any problems? No, I haven't had any problems. The room's been quiet, it's been warm, it's been comfortable. Breakfast has been fantastic. Staff on reception, very polite. Easy check-in, took 5 minutes. Bish, bosh, bam, there you go. Here's your card, room 327. Everything's well signed, so you can find your room easy. Yeah, this has been a really nice hotel, really pleased. Shower was perfect. Yeah. That's about that. If you like the video, guys, please do subscribe and like, comment. If you're watching it on the TV, just arrow down on your remote control and just pop across to that thumbs up button. That'd be really good. That'd be really nice. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care. I'll see you soon.